Alright, so we're here with Camperdown's head coach. Coach, a rough go at it today. Please walk us through the game.
As you know, we started from the back foot and we get 4 red cards on Tuesday. So it's always going to be difficult. Then the condition never help us. Footwear we have never help us neither. You see they are more equipped than us and the better team won today.
Alright, so going forward, how does one recover from this? Not even on the field, but psychologically.
No, psychology is either you step up or you quit, you know. So I'm not a quitter. So we have hopefully an easier match on Friday that can give us some confidence. We take it from there.
Alright, and you say the team's coming back, right?
Yeah, we have about 4 come. We have a few. We got a few 3 matches today. A few of our players get 2 matches. You know, our talisman Devant is coming back on Friday, and after that we have maybe another player coming in. But it's going to be a difficult task because you know we are behind the 8 ball already with all the red cards and suspension. But we give it a valiant effort.
Coach, speak to the discipline of your team. 4 red cards in 2 games it is.
Yeah.
What would have caused that?
I don't know, you know. I don't know. There wasn't an indisciplined team. I don't know, but things happen. Things happen. These are youngsters, and they will make mistakes.
Are you confident that they can recover?
Yeah, man. We have to. We have a home and away game, so we can recover, and we will recover.
All right, coach.
All right, coach.
Thank you.